Hello everyone, welcome to Satyanush. Now we are here with a new topic, partial fractions. In this, we are going to learn how to split a fraction which consists of different quadratic equations. We'll do only by solving the problems. Here is a problem. Let's get started. First of all, how to simplify this? Simplify the denominator first. 17x minus 53 by factorize x square minus 5 3 is 15. So 2x can be written as minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. 17x minus 53 by, if we take x common, x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5. So now 17x minus 53 by x plus 3 into x minus 5. After this, as it is two linear equations, we should assume as 17x minus 53 by x plus 3 into x minus 5 is equals to a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 5. This is the assumption we should take. If we have three linear equations here, x plus 3, x minus 5 and some other, we get one more term as a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 5 plus c by something else. Okay, now let's solve this. A into x minus 5 plus b into x plus 3 by x plus 3 into x minus 5. So this is equals to the question, and we can get cancelled x plus 3 and x plus 5, so this gets cancelled. Now we can equate 17x minus 53 is equals to a into x minus 5 plus b into x plus 3. Okay. (17x minus 53 is equals to) expanded ax minus 5a plus bx plus 3b. Now equate the constant to constant and coefficient of x to coefficient of x. A plus b plus 3b minus 5a. So that here you get two linear equations. After solving it, we get the values of a and b. So here I will solve it. A plus b is equals to 17 and 3b minus 5a is equals to 53. So now solve it. 3 into 3. I'm going to do minus. This value is 51. 3b gets cancelled. 5a plus 3b, 8a is equals to minus 2, where a is equals to minus 1 by 4. So this is the value of a and the value of b. If a plus b is equals to 17, b is equals to 17 plus 1 by 4. 17 plus 1 by 4 is 69 by 4. This is the value of it. Put the values here so that we are separated with each and every fraction. Here is one more problem. The three linear equations in the denominator. Let's solve it. As I said before, write this in the form of three separate fractional parts. A by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 3 plus c by x plus 4. Okay. Now rationalize it. A into x plus 3 into x plus 4 plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 4 plus c into x plus 3 into x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 4. The question is same, so this gets cancelled. After that, equating numerator to numerator. 125 plus 4x minus 9x square is equals to this. It is hard to multiply and after equating the coefficients of x square and x and constant, right? Instead of doing that, we can take some assumptions. If we take x as minus 3, here, minus 3 plus c gets 0 and a term gets 0 and c term gets 0. So left with b. Let's try with it. Let x equals to minus 3. Put the value in the LHS also. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So this term gets 0. B into minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 plus, as c has x plus 3 term, if x is minus 3, c is also 0. So that's it. Here also put the value 125 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 9 into minus 3 whole square. 125 minus 12 minus 81. Okay. Now minus 4 and here it is 1. Minus 4b is equals to 125 minus 81 is 44 minus 12 is 32. 125 minus 81 minus 12, yeah, 32 is equals to b into minus 4. 4 ones, 4 eights. So the value of b is minus 8. Similarly, by taking the assumptions of x equals to 1, if we take x equals to 1, b gets 0 and c gets 0, we will have only the term as a. Similarly, putting the value of 1 in the LHS and solve for a. Similarly for c, put the value x as minus 4 so that we get the value of c. In this way, it is easy to find the constants a, b, c instead of multiplying and then equating all. Here if you multiply and equate, we get the 3 constants here, which is very difficult to solve. This is the easy method. X equals to, first of all, assuming what we required. If we required b, apart from the multiples of b, take the other multiples which are of a and c. Till now we have discussed in the denominator there are only 2 separate linear functions, but here there is only one linear function which is multiplied twice. How to do this problem? For this, assume that this fractional part can be written as a by x plus 4 plus b by x plus 4 whole square. Anything, if it is there square, we have to write a by x plus 4 plus b by x plus 4 whole square. One is the same term, another is its square. If cube is there, we have to do a by f of x plus b by f of x whole square plus c by f of x whole cube. If at all here something is there and here is f of x whole cube. This kind of condition is there means we have to take a by f of x plus b by f of x whole square plus c by f of x whole cube. Means the denominator must consist of all the 3 or else all the values of powers less than the numerator's value. Okay. Now let's solve it. A into x plus 4 b by x plus 4 whole square. But this is the LCM. I multiplied x plus 4 into x plus 4 in both numerator and denominator so that we get x plus 4 whole square in the denominator. Now 10x plus 35 by x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 whole square cancels. Equate the numerator. 10x plus 35 is equals to ax plus 4a plus b. Similarly as the first problem, equate the coefficients of x and the constants. What are the coefficient of x? It is a. 10 is equals to a, A equals to 10 and the value of B is 4A plus B is equals to 35. So 40 plus B is equals to 35. B is equals to minus 5. In this way, we have to do the problems which consist of powers in the denominator. Hope you understood. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe Satya's channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.